GM everyone. So today we are still on discussion on community manager. Today I'm going to be discussing some professional ways in which you can organize AMA, any events, and then any giveaway in the community. So first thing first, you need to have a clear goal. Whenever you are trying to set a giveaway or you are trying to create an event or you are trying to make an AMA, you have to understand that and then make sure it's tallying and going way with the project. It's going the same direction. So like the event you are working on is entirely different from what the project is trying to achieve. You need to have a clear goal. When I mean a clear goal, you need to know what are your expectations after running any of these things. Before running your giveaway, you need to stay and think, what are the expectations? What am I expecting to achieve at the end of this giveaway? So those goals that you set will help you to get to understand how to strategize your event or giveaway or AMA. So let me start with AMA. Whenever you want to host an AMA, you have to get an audience. Make sure if you didn't have an audience, you can collab with a big project and then that you use the people from that project to also come into your project. And then you might want to also add a giveaway for some top questions. Probably you can put probably $100 pool or a $500 pool for probably the best 10 questions from the AMA. It will also encourage people that this AMA now is also an EMA and also a giveaway in the same thing. So you need to, if you didn't have a community, and then make sure what you are discussing about should be what new users will want to learn about your product, and then they want to join in. And then when you are talking about events, there are a lot of events you can do in the community. There are a lot of different kind of games, and then you need to know you need to understand which kind of events you are running. Some events are just there. People just build them based on vibes, but that's not what you are here for. I'm in the community, whereas they used to run Royal Rumble on their Discord. People that used to join the Royal Rumble are almost every week are almost up to like 300 to 400 people. But the people engaging in the community, they are not up to 5. I am very sure you'll be surprised, but right now I've seen the community. So tell me how this kind of community is going to grow and the reason why people are doing that Royal Rumble is because there is money there is a prize pool. So people are not there for the community or the products. They are there for the money, and you need to work on those kind of things. So those kind of events will only make you waste your money. You won't achieve any goal, which is one of the mistakes you need to avoid as a community manager. And then the last but not the least, giveaway. When you are giving away, you are more like you are rewarding communities. It's not like you just come and give a random giveaway and then you'll be like you want to pick randomly. No, it doesn't go that way. When you pick randomly, you can just somebody might just come into the server or to the community. He joined the community that day and then he won. And the people that have been with you from day one won't be among the winners. So how can you strategize a giveaway? You can probably put a threshold of some probably level of rules. You have to have particular levels for you to qualify for this giveaway. You just need to do something to walk people up towards that giveaway. So that giveaway is going to be something like is motivating them towards, even though they are not there for the products, but at least they are contributing to the community. That's also something. So the other peoples that they are not there for the giveaway, they are there for the products. But when they see that people are active in the community, they would also want to be interested and see how they can invest in such kind of projects. So that's for today, guys. Thank you guys for joining. See you all tomorrow. Bye.